It may be that the gods of heaven want him to be there, to enthrall them with his mellifluous songs. India's iconic singer S.P. Balasubramaniam breathed his last on September 25 noon at the MGM Hospital in Chennai, where he was under treatment. He was 74. His death is an irreparable loss to the music world, and his fans try to find solace in the saying that when it is time for one to leave this world, he will have to leave. At this sad moment, we pay homage to this great singer whose talent would remain a wonder and inspiration for generations. When SPB, as he is fondly called, was in Thiruvananthapuram to receive Swaralaya Kairali Jeshudas Award for the year 2001, he spoke thus at the venue. Now, one thing I understood. I am a greater singer than Jeshudas. The stunned audience could not figure out what he had meant. But after a pause he added, "This is because I very well know that Jeshudas is never going to get the award instituted in his name." The audience burst into laughter as they realized that it was his typical joke. Though he was born into a musical family, he didn't take training in classical music. Not only that, he also didn't follow any food or lifestyle restrictions like other singers do to maintain their voice. What is more coincidental is the fact that it was a disease that made him a singer. His parents' wish was to see him as an engineer. When he was studying in the engineering college at Anantapur in Andhra Pradesh, he caught typhoid and had to discontinue his studies. From there, he went to Chennai for treatment. After he recovered from the illness, he resumed his studies. But as fate would have it, he soon went on to become a singer. SPB, who won prizes in music competitions at that time, was also the main singer in a music troupe. In 1966, he made his debut as a playback singer in the Telugu film Sri 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 Maryada Ramanna. Despite not being trained in classical music, the songs he sang for the film Shankarabharanam later became hits of all time. Though SPB was born in Andhra Pradesh, he has sung mostly for Tamil films, and he has to his credit more than 39,000 songs in languages such as Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, Hindi and Malayalam. By the way, Balasubramaniam's name could find a place in the Guinness Book of Records for singing maximum number of film songs. He got the National Award for the Best Singer 6 times. After Jeshudas, he was the singer to have got maximum number of national awards. Though millions adore him as a singer, he has also shined as an actor, music director and dubbing artist. He has dubbed for actors such as Kamal Haasan, Rajinikanth, Vishnuvardhan, Salman Khan, Bhagyaraj, Mohan, Anil Kapoor, Girish Karnad, Nagesh and Raghuvaran in various languages. He also has got the Nandi Award for the Best Dubbing Artist. Later, the nation honored him with Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan as well. The three-letter SPB and his innumerable songs, which have found an esteemed place in the minds of millions of people, will now remain an everlasting memory. SPB's first Malayalam film song was for the film Kadal Palam. The music director was Devarajan Master. A line in the song says, "Crossing the seas, crossing the earth, and crossing the skies." Like that, his mesmerizing voice also might have crossed seas, earth, and skies to be one with the eternity. News Desk, Kaumudi English.